Okay, so springtime has hit. Lots of water, lots of sun. And all our vegetables and our plants are growing. Trees in full bloom. And we're getting flowering on our green beans. And I think we're getting flowering on our squash down there. Yep. Our cucumbers are starting to vine. And our carrots are growing. And we got some growth going on. And yes, look how long the corn on the cobs are growing. One just fell down. I guess I'm gonna have to finally pull them out and plant them out here and stake them. Otherwise they're gonna not survive. But so we can get constant water, since we're getting 85-90 degree weather, we got some sprinklers we put on. So all these sprinklers will water these two boxes, the banana tree and the grapes back there. And the regular grass sprinklers water all our plants up there in the boxes. This one right here waters this box and this box, along with the triangle box, and over there where the watermelon are slowly growing. And we'll probably plant the corn on the cob in those triangle boxes and stake them up. We're getting leaves on everything. Oh. Got a helicopter coming through. Our pumpkins are starting to vine out and flower. And all our center wetland grass is finally growing up. And all our vines are on our trees, everything's growing up. Our melon plants are growing. Our elephant ears are gonna get really big again this year. They're gonna just like take over this area. And all our blackberries and blueberry bushes are starting to leaf out. Hoping to get some fruit off of them this year, but they're only 2 years old, so probably not until next year. And that's what we got going on with the gardening. We got a lot of things growing now since the weather's gotten a lot warmer, a lot more sun. We're getting a lot of water on everything. And everything's growing.